Hello, everybody. Thank you very much. It's great to be here. I'm very excited to be part of this program. So to give you a little bit of my background, I have a degree in computer science, and upon graduating from university, I started my career in investment banking, and for the most part, I stayed within the financial services industry, either working for banks or stock exchanges, crypto exchanges, companies that build essentially high-performance, high-frequency trading systems. And I usually worked on the data side in the data collection, manipulation, distribution systems, not so much in the processing, although I was involved in building out some auto trading systems, but not so much the algorithms themselves, mostly the infrastructure behind it. So most of my technical experience is the sort of, what I would call the fairly low-level systems engineering, C++ programming, more recently Rust programming language, stuff like that. And for a few years now, I've been very much interested in machine learning and artificial intelligence. This is something that, in some sense, I kind of missed the earlier on, because I graduated towards the very end of the last AI winter, I would say, which deep learning did not seem to be an exciting field when I was still at university, and I kind of missed the whole development of the field. And I've been looking for some interesting way to pivot from my current career into doing artificial intelligence and machine learning. And one day I just found PySchool on Twitter and I felt like this is it. The fate has sent me a message. There is a great program that seems to be exactly what I need right now. I have some experience, building and training little models, and I have some decent knowledge of Python and all the modern programming languages and a bunch of frameworks and so on and so forth. But I've never really worked on any kind of serious problem. So I'm really looking forward to the challenge. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you. And, I'm just very excited to be here and can't wait to get started. Thank you so much.
Hi, everyone, in whatever time zone you are. I'm Vijayasri, also from India, originally from Mumbai, but I'm speaking to you from the south of India right now. First of all, I would like to say hi, Sebastian. It's so nice to see you after so long. Believe it or not, this is not the first time I'm interviewing for Pi. I think I've interviewed the first time almost 3 to 4 years ago as an undergrad. Pleasantly surprised at the time to get to speak to Sebastian. And since then, he's given me a lot of inputs on how I could improve as somebody who's interested in AI. And so here I am. I have done my bachelor's in IT, and currently I'm pursuing master's in AI in the second year. I'm doing my thesis on autonomous vehicles, particularly multitask learning. And I've also done quite a lot of projects and try to work with as many people as I can in this field. I'm really excited to work at Pi and get to do some, real world stuff. And yeah, just wanting to get my hands dirty. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm from Rome. I have my bachelor in computer and system engineering. And actually, I'm pursuing my master in robotics and AI. I started getting passionate about deep learning, mostly because it's my university, but also because I started working with robotic system, just the control part. But then I realized that we need sensor informations, and one of the most important sensors is the camera. And thanks to it, to process the images, actually the best strategies are to use deep learning preprocessing. And so I started my journey throughout deep learning and AI. I got passionate about it. I started working with NLP stuff, but as Chen said, this is a university. That was just university. We have perfect data models. We are followed by instruction, so to say. And so I find PySchool as an opportunity to get my hands dirty. Thanks.